Welcome to Sai Tech Info channel, my dear students. Today we will discuss about the Lorentz force. This is one of the very important aspects in the moving charges. Lorentz force is the total force experienced by a charged particle moving in a region where both electric and magnetic fields are present. So that is known as Lorentz force. So what is Lorentz force? It is the total force. Listen very carefully. This is the total force. That is F vector. You can call it F vector. Total force of the charge moving in electric field as well as in magnetic field. So let us represent the electric force as Fe as a vector and Fm, that is the magnetic force. So the total force is F. Now let me explain how we got this equation. Simply speaking, Lorentz force is the total force experienced by the moving charge in electric field and magnetic field. Now we will look into that. Let us consider N. We know pretty well, charge Q is equal to the integral multiples of electronic charges. So Q is equal to Ne. So when these charged particles, it may contain n number of electrons. Let me consider charged particles. So when these charged particles are moving under the influence of electric field, that is represented by E. So here the force experienced is F. E is equal to Q into E. Similarly, in magnetic field, when these charged particles are moving in presence of magnetic field, when we represent the magnetic field, we cannot simply say magnetic field alone, because the charge in this case is with respect to the speed of electrons also. So the speed of charged particles also. So we need to we need to multiply as a cross product here. So here the velocity of the moving charges cross is a vector, is it not, the direction oriented one, and B, because it depends on the direction of the magnetic field, and that is why it is related. So V cross vector V cross velocity vector V cross magnetic field, this is taken. So now what is the force experienced by the charge in magnetic field? It is given by Q into V cross B. V is nothing but the velocity of charges in the magnetic field, and B, you know, magnetic field. Now let us add these two so that you are able to get Q being common. As a GCD, we can take out the bracket. Now F is equal to Q into E plus, that is vector E electric field, plus vector V cross vector B, where vector V is the velocity vector and velocity of charges, and B vector is the magnetic field. Do you understand this? So what is now we can, I think when we go through the definition, it will be very easy. Now let me read out the same definition. You can easily understand. Lorentz force is defined as the total force, or you will follow the total force experienced by the charge when they are moving in electric field as well as magnetic field. Are you able to understand? That is called Lorentz force. Don't forget this. Okay? Thank you.